Hi. Have you or a loved one been involved in an airplane crash here in Houston, Texas? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas Truck Accident Lawyer. I help injury victims around the nation receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligence, recklessness, or intentional wrongdoing of others. If you or a loved one have been involved in an airplane crash, give me a call at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can call me toll free at 1-800-688-7551. That's 1-800-688-7551. I look forward to helping you and your loved ones receive the care and compensation they deserve, so give me a call.